Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Journaling Planet. My name's Helen and I'm very happy to welcome you here. Today I'm going to show you how to use up those offcuts from your craft card. These ideas are designed to be simple, quick and fun. The first thing we're going to look at is making tabs for the top of your journaling cards, or tags if you want to use them that way. So to create a tab, I'm simply going to fold a small piece of card in half. Then I'm going to round the corners using my corner rounding tool. I know not everyone is a fan of inking around the edges of things, but I feel with tabs, it actually does make a difference. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be inking around these pieces that I'm making. You absolutely 100% do not need to ink around if it's not your thing. For me, I just think with these smaller pieces, it gives more emphasis. Because these projects are so simple, they require very few tools. For example, I'm going to be using this corner cutter, but it's very easy to round your own corners with a pair of scissors if you don't have this tool. I know you picked it up the first time, but you know what? I just really like making these, so sorry, I just wanted an excuse to make a second one. Now you will probably want to add your tab to a much more elaborate journaling card than the one I'm creating here. This is just a piece of craft card and I'm rounding the corners. I know, it is very technical, but it is just for demonstration purposes. I just wanted to show you quickly what it looks like when you attach these tabs without spending, all day collaging a journaling card specifically for the purpose. I can't resist inking around. I think it might be some kind of problem that I have with the ink. I'm obsessed with ink stamps. I'm obsessed with inking around. I've got tattoos. I'm a writer. I just wonder if I've got some strange affinity with ink. And I'm wondering if this is something I should be worried about. Answers on a postcard too. You can place the tab, as I'm demonstrating here, anywhere you want on that journaling card. For some reason, I have an obsession with putting it in the top right-hand corner. For reasons that I'm not sure about, it satisfies me greatly to then staple it in place as well. I just like that utilitarian look with the staple showing. The second idea I had was to create some very small tags. Who says that tags have to be complicated or over-embellished? When you've got beautiful pieces of card, albeit small ones, I think you can just put in an eyelet, ink around, and allow the pattern to speak for itself without covering it over with lots of different embellishments. Not only does this make for a very minimalist and flat project that is easy to put into a journal without overfilling it, it also makes for a quick make, meaning you can make quite a few of them en masse and easily fill up your journaling projects. The third idea is simply to create one sticker, pieces of ephemera to go into your journals. Again, this is one that is very flat, so it's not going to bulk up a journal, and it's small, so you could fit it into small tucks and small envelopes. The idea is to create a sort of little surprise for the person, where they just find this lovely piece of card and one sticker on it, one focus. What I also love about this, besides the simplicity, it's simply a matter of rounding some corners, inking around a piece of card and selecting a sticker, is that it means that you can look at the stickers you've got in your collection and see if there's any that you just haven't found a place for in other projects. maybe they just don't go with anything else that you're doing. But in this particular case, they get to stand on their own, so they won't look weird alongside anything else. It's a really great way of using up stickers that have perhaps sat in your collection for a long time. And I just think this would be super cute to find in a journal. You turn a page and you find it in a tuck, or you find it in an envelope. So as promised, these ideas have been very quick, hopefully fun, and easy. Sometimes that's what we need in our lives. What other uses for your leftover card do you have? I'd love to hear about it in the comment. For now though, I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much for all the likes and subscribes, and I shall look forward to seeing you next time.